Good morning, family. Welcome back to the Hillside Homestead. Today I'm going to be working on a few projects in the garden. I'm going to be digging up, hopefully, some sweet potatoes, if there's any in there, and the deer didn't destroy them. Also, I am going to be pulling some of my pepper plants and my eggplants out of the ground because if you didn't know, they are perennials. And if you can keep them over winter, keep them surviving, they will grow back even better next spring, next summer. So those are two things I'm going to be working on, and a few others if I can get them done. So I'm going to let you see me pulling up some sweet potatoes. And I've already started taking some of the fence out that I had around them. I still have some more in there where I was trying to protect them from the deer so they wouldn't get back in here. But I did pull up a couple of roots, and voila, praise the Lord for a sweet potato. And another one here. So I'm going to keep pulling. See if I can get all this fence out of here and see what we have. Pull all the roots out. There's another one here, little one, but I'm thankful for even the little ones. This one isn't so great. It got some holes in it. We'll have to put that one in the compost. Some here. And I will have to take the shovel and dig inside the ground. This ground is so rocky that I had to add a lot of extra soil. And it's because it's on a hill, a lot of the soil just washed down when it rained. So I am grateful for every little sweet potato I pull out the ground. See if I can dig in here without damaging any. Yeah, just did that one. Ah, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice. couple of little ones. More. The hardest part is pulling them up without damaging them. You really don't always know where to look. All right, very nice. You're going to have some sweet potatoes during the winter. You have to let these sit out and cure, I guess, a few weeks to about a month. They cure, and that just flavors them more. So I'm going to be working on this, and I will bring you back when I dig up the peppers, the eggplants, so that I can keep them over winter. Okay, family, I have finished harvesting the sweet potatoes. I'll put you in this little bucket here, let you see what we got. We have a lot of little ones, but we do have some big ones too. It wasn't a great harvest, but it wasn't a bad harvest because it's just me. I'm feeding myself and maybe somebody else who stops by. But I have tilled the ground up. I'm going to cover it up with some ground cover cloth or tarp or something to keep the weeds from growing inside. As I was digging, I had to be careful not to puncture the sweet potatoes or they would have landed in my compost. And I am reminded that God is peculiar in what he wants us to do also. I don't know if you remember the story of Cain and Abel in the Bible, how Cain wanted to bring an offering to God from the fruit of the ground, the fruit of his labor. But God asked for something in particular, a lamb, that blood could be shed, and the blood was a representative of Jesus' blood dying on the cross. Abel brought the right sacrifice, and Cain wanted to do things his way. A lot of times we want to do things our way also, and sometimes it gets us in trouble, sometimes it works out, but God is particular, and he only wants what's best for us. So that's the thought I would like to leave with you today. Let's please God. Let's do things his way and make him happy. He's done so much for us, and I am grateful, and I know that you are grateful also. So from the Hillside Homestead, I pray that you have a wonderful afternoon. Go out, be a blessing to someone else, and we'll see you next time on the Hillside Homestead. God bless you, family.